In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, where the sun kisses the mountains and the sea sings its eternal song, a new hero rose to protect the island's future. His name was Bolt, fast as lightning, with a heart full of courage and a spirit unbreakable. His partner, Lady Saw, was no ordinary woman. She possessed the power to manipulate sound waves, turning melodies into mighty shields and sonic booms. One evening, as the island prepared for its annual reggae festival, strange signals began to flicker across the skies. An alien craft, shimmering with pulsating lights, descended over Kingston, threatening to drain the island's energy and enslave its people. Bolt, sensing the danger, dashed through the city streets faster than anyone could see, reaching the source of the disturbance. Lady Saw arrived just in time, her voice echoing a powerful reggae rhythm that vibrated through the air. She unleashed a sonic blast that disoriented the alien ship, causing it to wobble and slow. Bolt reached out with his lightning speed, generating a surge of energy that created a protective barrier around Kingston. With a mighty roar, he channeled the island's spirit, its resilience, its culture, its soul, transforming it into a blinding bolt of energy that struck the craft. The aliens, overwhelmed by the combined force of Jamaican strength and music, retreated into the night sky. The island was safe once more, and the people cheered for their heroes. As dawn broke over the Caribbean Sea, Bolt and Lady Saw stood atop the hill, watching the sunrise. They knew that as long as the spirit of Jamaica endured, so too would their guardianship. Together, they were the island's protectors, fast, fierce, and full of rhythm. And so, the legend of Bolt and Lady Saw grew, a testament to the power of culture, courage, and unity, keeping Jamaica safe from any alien or earthly threat that dared to challenge its soul.